Hi, welcome to the galley. It is juice day here in the galley. I don't usually do these all at one time. It just kind of worked out that way. But I make pineapple skin water, fresh pineapple juice, fresh ginger juice that I use to make homemade ginger ale. So if you'd like a video on that, let me know. And fresh cranberry juice, and I'm down to my very last bag of cranberries. I'm very sad about that. I'm having a hard time finding them frozen. But for today, for the video, I want to share with you pineapple water and pineapple juice. So pineapple skin and pineapple skin water is really good for you. Pineapple skins contain bromelain, and this bromelain is a natural anti-inflammatory. So it's especially good for people with joint pain or arthritis. It is going to help boost your immune system, and it's also a natural detoxifier. So it's going to help clean your blood and your liver. Now I have broken this down into 3 sections. I have my skins, I have the core, and I have the pulp of the pineapple. Now the pineapple pulp and the core I'm going to juice, and then I'm going to take that pulp from that and add to my pineapple water. My pineapple skins I'm going to clean with my vegetable wash. You could soak these in a little vinegar bath or baking soda or just a little scrub brush, and then I'm just going to give them a rinse and put them in my pot. Now to my pineapple skins I'm going to add 6 cups of water, and then I'm going to bring this just to a boil. I really don't want it to boil, and then I'm going to simmer it for 20 to 30 minutes. And next I'm going to juice my pineapple, and I'm also going to juice the cores of the pineapple. So as you can see here, about the only thing that goes to waste is the top. And now all of this pineapple pulp I'm going to put in with my pineapple skin in here, and this is going to help really flavor it up so it's not so bland. Now this pineapple water, it's kind of bland. It's not going to be really tasty like your fresh pineapple juice. But you could add fresh ginger here. You could add some fresh turmeric here. You could add a little honey if you want to sweeten it up. Now for me, I just like have a cup full every day and just drink it for the benefits, and I don't really worry about the flavor. Now for my pineapple juice, I usually go ahead and juice a mango or papaya or kiwis. Kiwis are a really good source of vitamin C. But this fresh pineapple juice right here has magnesium, manganese, thiamine, B6, C, potassium. So it's really good for you. And it's going to have all of those other benefits of the pineapple water, like the bromelain and all of that. So, and this is going to help keep your skin nice. It's going to help with your bones. So pineapples too, I find, are really inexpensive. I usually find them between $2 and $3. Now you can absolutely drink this just like pure pineapple juice. But what we do, and this helps make it last longer, and there's still a lot of natural sugars in here, so you're not getting so much juice all at once, as I use it for club soda. So I probably only put about an ounce. That went a little more than normal, but that's okay. And then add some club soda, so then it's just like a nice, bubbly, fresh, pineapple flavored club soda. Because those flavored club sodas that you buy, even though it says natural flavors on it, doesn't mean it's natural. Natural flavors only means that the first ingredient in it has to be natural, and then they can add a handful of chemicals. But there you have a fresh pineapple club soda. So good, so refreshing. So for about a $2.50 pineapple, we've got pineapple juice, and we're going to have a whole container of pineapple water. And don't go anywhere. I'll show you how I finish this off. All right, so we're back, and this is our beautiful pineapple skin water, and it's been steeping for another 20 minutes, and I'm going to strain it. And I like to let this sit and strain for a few moments because it's really going to keep releasing that water. So this is the point if you wanted to add some honey or even some maple syrup if you wanted to sweeten this up a bit. I don't know if you can hear it or see it, but the wind's kicking up. We're supposed to get rain and wind. And it looks like this is the beginning of it. It's supposed to start at 3. It's only 2, so it has been windy, windy, windy. So now remember, this pineapple water has that bromelain, so it's going to be an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It's going to help with your skin, your bones, vitamin C, magnesium, manganese. It is actually good warm as well. And I just have a little cup like this every day. Cheers to pineapple skin water, so you have that pineapple and nothing goes to waste. Here's to healthy living, even on a boat. Bye, y'all. See you later. Love ya.